Okay, so you might have noticed that the Gears build under FPMC is no longer working. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. So basically this is what happens when you click on Gears build. You just click wait on this anytime you see that. And it looks like it's loading. It says working. But then it just stays on this black screen. So what happened is the web server that it's hosted on apparently got overloaded and exceeded what his paid account was. Like 4 million downloads a day or something. I'm going crazy. So he's changed his hosting provider. At least that's my understanding of it. So this is how you fix it. You have to close the program. Of course, if you haven't gone into it and you know it doesn't work, don't go back into it. Oh great, the keyboard popped up. If I just click on the screen, it'll go away, hopefully. No, that was keyboard, there we go. Okay. So what we need to do is we need to go into the settings and clear the cache and the app data. So we'll go into settings and then we'll click on apps. And then we'll go over till we find SPMC and we'll click on that. And then we'll go down to clear data and we'll click on that. We'll click OK. And we'll just give it a couple seconds here and it'll delete the files, which is what we want to do. Okay, so you can see the files are now at 0. Nothing there. So we've reset it back to its factory setting of SPMC. Now we'll click open and it loads up just like it's loading for the first time. And SPMC uses a different skin, so it looks different off the start than what normal Kodi does. So we're going to click on the gear logo at the bottom. And then we're going to go up to appearance. And then we're going to click on skin and see it's on retouched. We're going to change that to Confluence. And we'll click yes. So that's changed. We can exit out of that and exit out of that one. And then we're back at the main screen. So we'll go over to System and then down to File Manager. And then we're going to click on Add Source. And click on that. And in the box here, we're going to type HTTP // target create oops, wrong spelling. 1 second, backspace. .com. And then / repo, REPO. And then we'll click done. And you can name it something else if you want. I'm just going to leave it as repo. Click OK. And if you want, you can click on what you've created, see if there's stuff there. That'll let you know that you did it right. And then we'll go to System, down to Add-ons, click OK on that one, go install from zip file, click on whatever you created, and we'll go up to, oh, wrong one, install from zip file, click on repo, and then up to plug in video, target in 1080p wizard. And then we click the home button and we can wait. And there should be a pop-up in the bottom corner, but it does take a while. I'm not sure the exact amount of time. Sometimes it can be almost a minute. And it really makes you second guess if you did everything right, because you're waiting for it and wondering if you should re-click it or not. It will pop up in the Programs tab. It does take its time, that's for sure. You can see me here, I'm checking programs, add-ons, nothing there. Not yet. So we'll just wait a little longer, and there it is. So now I click on programs again, and there it is. Click on that. Click on Gears War Build, and now it'll download. This depends on your download speed, how fast it is. It shouldn't take that long. Only a couple hundred megabytes, I think. Looks like it's stalled at 20% here for some reason. I thought it's going to have to cancel it, try it again. Oh, there it goes. So we're just waiting for this to count to 100%. Okay, so now it's downloaded the zip file and now it's extracting it. Files are compressed when they download. And again, you're waiting until it counts to 100. This is totally dependent on the speed of your box, not your internet anymore. And so the faster your processor is on your box, the faster this will go. Okay, so it's complete. Now, of course, the only way to get the changes to stick is to either crash SBMC, so if you close it without nicely shutting it down, or you pull the power plug. And I'm going to choose to pull the power plug here, because that is the simplest way to do it. Maybe not the quickest, but it's a guarantee that it works. So there, I pulled the power plug, and we're booting up again. Okay, so we're back at the main desktop. So if we click on SBMC now this time, it'll load into Gears Build. The screen goes black for a little bit. That one, just click wait. It's really annoying. And you'll notice it says 7.0 instead of 6.9, like it did before. And everything's just loading in. Actually, the ticker going across is advertising 6.9 as being available, but this is 7.0. And so all the add-ons are there. The only problem is some of these don't work, as he didn't actually change anything on the build. So I do a lot of customization to it. You can either have me do it, or you can do it yourself. Whatever works out best for you. Probably take me at least a half hour to do all the customization and everything. If you click on Gears TV, if you have a subscription to Gears TV, and you can click on settings, and this is where you can enter your username and password, and also you can show adult content if you want. If you have a subscription and you don't remember your password, just get a hold of me, and if you're one of my customers, then I'll get it to you. Other than that, guys, this has been how you fix this. If you have any questions, send me a message. Take care.